Welcome to episode 24 of the Re-NEET Hyper-Strike Podcast. Today, we are speed running the 50 absolute most important match the following examples in the NCERT. In NEET, matching questions are a goldmine because you usually only need to recognize one or two pairs to eliminate all the wrong options. Close your eyes, listen to these connections, and let's secure these marks. Let's start with taxonomy and classification. Housefly belongs to the family Mussidae. Mango belongs to the order Sapindales. Wheat belongs to the family Poaceae. Diatoms are characterized by indestructible silica cell walls, and dinoflagellates have two flagella, one longitudinal and one transverse. Match them up. Next, the fungi and pathogens. Remember our RAM, CAN, UPA cat tricks? Phycomycetes matches albugo. Ascomycetes matches Neurospora. Basidiomycetes matches Puccinia, the rust fungus. Deuteromycetes matches Trichoderma. And viroids are the causative agents of potato spindle tuber disease. Next, the plant kingdom exceptions. Fucus is the diplontic algae. Ectocarpus is the haplodiplontic algae. Volvox is a colonial green algae with a haplontic life cycle. Red algae store food as Floridian starch, and brown algae store food as mannitol or laminarin. Next, the animal kingdom. Platyhelminthes use flame cells for excretion. Annelida use nephridia. Ctenophora are marine animals that use 8 ciliated comb plates for locomotion. Ashominthes are pseudocoelomates, the only ones. And echinoderms have a water vascular system. Next, plant morphology. Remember our master codes. Axile placentation is TLC, tomato and lemon. Parietal is MAP, mustard and argemone. Free central is DP, dianthus and primrose. Basal is sunflower and marigold. And vexillary estivation is unique to the pea and bean family, Fabaceae. Next, plant anatomy. Parenchyma has thickened corners due to pectin. Sclerenchyma is composed of dead, lignified cells. Bulliform cells are the large, colorless cells in grass leaves. Monocot stems feature scattered, closed vascular bundles, and monocot roots feature a large, well-developed pith. Next, cell biology and division. Mitochondria fold their inner membrane into cristae. Chloroplasts contain flattened membrane sacs called thylakoids. S phase is the site of DNA replication. Zygotine is the phase of homologous pairing, or synapsis, and pachytene is where crossing over occurs. Next, biomolecules. Use our exact secondary metabolite codes. Toxins is TAR, abrin and ricin. Lectins is LC, concanavalin A. Drugs is DVC, vinblastine and curcumin. Tertiary protein structure is necessary for enzyme active sites, and polysaccharides are joined by glycosidic bonds. Next, physiology pathways. Glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm. Krebs cycle occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. The electron transport system is located in the inner mitochondrial membrane. The primary carbon acceptor in C3 is RUBP. The primary carbon acceptor in C4 is PEP. Next, the final set. ADH prevents water loss, or diuresis. Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorder. Muscular dystrophy is a genetic muscle wasting disorder. The hypothalamus controls thermoregulation, and the medulla contains the cardiovascular and vomiting centers. And that is 50 of the absolute most high-yield matching examples in the NCERT, completely mastered. If you can lock in these 50 associations, you are going to fly through matching questions on exam day. Drop your score in the comments, hit subscribe, give us a like, and share this with your study partner. Tomorrow on episode 25, we finish with the Re-NEET Mindset and Calm Down podcast. Keep listening, stay ruthless, and I'll see you in the next one.